Today, Tennessee Governor Bill Lee announced Tennessee will receive federal assistance for people in 9 counties hit by those deadly tornadoes. At least 4 people died from the storms in the state of Tennessee. In Kentucky, 74 people have died and more than 100 people remain on the list of the missing. In East Tennessee, people are pitching in to help our neighbors in Kentucky and to our west impacted by those tornadoes. 10 News reporter Marissa Rios shares how our community is stepping up. Marissa?
Well, John, from local churches to businesses, people are gathering supplies, monetary donations, and Christmas gifts, all to support tornado victims in Kentucky. East Tennesseans like Nathan Woody are doing what they do best.
We want to go up there, we want to bring supplies, we want to be hands-on.
Helping our neighbors in a time of need.
I wanted to create an opportunity here in Knoxville for us neighbors to get together and really care for our community.
Woody and a team of people from Heart and Soul Church gathered at the Scooters Coffee Shop in Farragut, collecting supplies to bring to Kentucky Wednesday morning.
I think we're going to leave first thing in the morning, so maybe 5 a.m. or 6 a.m.
For John Payton and his wife Tracy, they never expected to see their childhood home in Dawson Springs, Kentucky look like this.
It's tough to see your hometown. Over half of the town that I grew up in, I understand, no longer exists.
Instead of dwelling on the past, they're moving forward by giving back.
We're going to buy some Christmas gifts, some toys over the next week, and then I'm going to drive them to Kentucky over the weekend.
The couple says they want to make sure children impacted still get the Christmas they deserve.
We're hoping to just make sure Santa visits those that are in need.
The Payton family says a tornado relief fund has been established through Independence Bank for Hopkins County. That's where Dawson Springs is located. If you are interested in making a donation, we have all that information on our website, WBIR.com. John?
Encouraging to see people stepping in. Thank you, Marissa. We do have a list of more ways you can help right now online. You can text the American Red Cross to provide a $10 donation. The Salvation Army also asking for help. There's also a tornado relief fund for Western Kentucky to donate blood to people there. For a full list of ways to help, check our As Seen on TV section in the WBIR app.